Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Guth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make solitary confectionery. Some clink candy. Prison Laffy Taffy. I've seen a few people make this. I'll post the links in my description, but here's what you're going to need for this recipe. A whole fuck ton of coffee creamer, a little bit of water, drink packets, I guess any brand will do, and gloves. Make sure to get food grade with no powder. Now, they didn't give any real measurements on this. I just know that they use a fuck ton of creamer and they mix it all together until it's taffy consistency. Then after rolling it into a log, take your shank, your shiv, or your ID card and cut it up into little pieces, and then you're done. All right, we're back. Here's what it looks like up close. I put mine in the refrigerator for a little bit. I don't know if that's done anything, but I don't know. Mine's a little bit too hard. I'm not remaking this. I guess I'm gonna post this anyways. Probably got a little bit too much creamer. To me, I don't think it would really taste like Laffy Taffy anyways. I mean, one of the videos the dude made in, like, he only used like 2 or 3 packets and he had more than I did. So I mean, to me the flavor's kind of off, I think, because of creamer. I might have messed it up, but this video will still be good because, you know, I think you could measure it out for yourself, but they didn't tell you how much to put, really. They kind of showed you a bit, but like not really, because the creamer that they put in their bowls would not even amount to the big log that they had. So if I was in prison, would I eat this? Probably. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to be a logger, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a telemarketer, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and then hitting the little bell for the notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.